Kathy. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch my video. My name is Tisha. I came across your company when doing research of plumbers in your area and just wanted to send out a quick video with some tips for improving your online presence and traffic to your website and increasing your customers. So today we're going to be talking about three different things. So one being content, citations, and backlinks. So the first will be content. So content is anything that can be found on your website. Um, so any words you're using, any pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, and any videos. So in order to rank on Google or higher on Google, then they're looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now by increasing your content, you're able to use more keywords. Now, keywords are words that are used in the Google search engine to find either a service or a certain company. So again, more content that you have, the more keywords you're able to use. And then we'll go over that a little bit later and just show you how you're doing on your website. The next will be citations. Now, citations is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address can be found on the web. Now, this could be on, again, Google, Angie's List, Facebook, LinkedIn, Better Business Bureau, um, local directories. So the more citations you have, then the more people are going to be able to find your website. Now let me show you what I found here when I Googled plumbers in Modesto. Now the first that you'll see here will be the paid clicks. So these companies are paying to have their name listed here, their company listed there. The next would be the organic, the map pack. The map pack is important to be listed here because generally when people Google a certain service, then they will call the first company that they see here or go to their website. So that's something we would work on of getting you here in that map pack. The next would be the organic search. Now, when I look through the organic search, there are, I believe there were 14 pages, and I wasn't able to find your company listed in the organic search. Now, if you look at the rankings here, the first will be Yelp. The first company, though, to rank organically would be Tony's Plumbing Service. And then the next company behind Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, and Home Advisor would be Knight's Plumbing and Drain. So I just want to take a quick look at their websites. So this is Tony Plumbing's website. And just want to kind of see what your competitors are doing. And so this would be your number one competitor here. Okay. Okay, and then the next is going to be Knight's Plumbing and Drain. And they do have, looking at their website, they do have quite a bit of content. So this may be one of the reasons why they're ranking so high as well. Okay, now we're going to be looking at a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs is not 100% accurate, but it does show how your website is doing. So I'm showing that you currently have 5 backlinks. Now backlinks are links that are on a web page that leads back over to your website. So the more backlinks you have, the more traffic you'll have to your website. So I see that you have 5. And then for Tony's Plumbing, I see they have 290 backlinks. And then for Knight's Plumbing and Drain, I see that they have over 2,000 backlinks. Now, one thing that we can do is we can take a look at the backlinks of your competitors and build those same backlinks for yourself, so to increase the traffic. The next would be organic keywords. Now, I'm showing that you're only utilizing one organic keyword. And let me see here. Okay, and that would be Plumbing Modesto. And so this is how people are finding you through that. The next would be Tony's Plumbing. They're using 280 keywords. And this is what they're using. Plumber Modesto. Let's see here. Modesto Plumbers, Plumbing Modesto. So they don't have too much of a variety. A lot of this is their business name, so then that's how they're being found. And then the next is going to be Knights Plumbing and Drain. So they have 306. Let's see how they're being found or what they're using. Okay, Tressa Sewer Repair, Plumber Oakdale, Plumber Turlock, Knights Plumbing, Manteca. Looks like they have several different locations here. So this is how they're being found. Now, one thing that we look at when we're doing keywords for a business is that we look at what other businesses are using, and then we duplicate those keywords like on and build those within your website as well. Not showing, it's not giving me a showing how much traffic is coming to your website, and that could just be because you're not ranking. So again, this is just an estimate. So if you are getting people clicking on your website, then go with that. But unfortunately, I'm not able to see. And then the next is going to be, let's see here. So this is for Tony's Plumbing. So they're getting about 322 people coming to their website, bringing in a little bit over $5,000 in revenue. And then for Knights Plumbing and Drain, they're bringing in about 275 people to their website and bringing in over $4,000 in revenue. So I hope that you have enjoyed some of the tips that were provided for your website and increasing customers and traffic to the website. You're welcome to use this on your own. If you would like to speak to me more in depth about how I can help, my phone number is 916-378-9773. I would like to receive feedback on this video. And I do appreciate again you taking your time to watch this video. You have a good day.